Hello i-Blason Nation, this is Mike and today I'm going to be talking about the Unity 2.0 wristband case for the Apple Watch. Now this is a wristband and a case all in one. What a lot of people learn when they buy an Apple Watch is you have to get a wristband, then you have to get a case to get that protection that you need. But Unity 2.0 is an all-in-one wristband case. It's all you need. And it's called 2.0 because this is the second generation of the Unity, which is getting a major facelift with a sportier design, a cleaner look. Now installation is pretty easy. You simply just snap in one side, pop in the other, make sure it's nice and secure and fit and snug, and that's it. You're ready to go. You're ready to show off your Apple Watch. You're nice and protected. You've got this shock-proof, drop-proof case made of scratch-resistant material that keeps your Apple Watch safe in the event of a drop or a fall, when you bump into the wall or a table. If you're really active, if you like to rock climb, you need a wristband case like this. A raised bezel, of course, to protect your display when face down. And i-Blason is known for having the most precise cutouts, which I don't see in a lot of cases. Oftentimes the buttons are blocked, they're hard to get to, but the Unity 2.0 fits so precise on the Apple Watch. There's even this hidden button that's fully functional but keeps your watch looking clean and sleek. The wristband, completely adjustable, accommodates any wrist size, small or large, snaps in really secure. Plus it's really lightweight. This is a very comfortable wristband case. You don't even notice it's on your wrist and you can just go about your day, not really have to worry about it. So once again, a really stylish, sporty wristband case that you can feel confident knowing your Apple Watch is protected around the clock. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, whatever mood you're in. I'll be posting links in the description below so you can buy this wristband case or just search i-Blason Unity on Amazon.